Alright, TikTok made me do it again. Let's try this cinnamon roll hack. Before we get our roll on, we gonna get this cinnamon sugar mixture together. Gotta melt down half a stick of butter, quarter cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Mix that up. Then we gonna butter the bottom of this pan, and let's pop these rolls open. Now I popped mine a little too hard cause my frosting exploded. Now I'm gonna lay these rolls in the pan. I was gonna use a smaller pan, but I'm glad I didn't because these rolls ended up pretty big. All right, now we putting the heavy whipping cream in. I didn't want to put too much because I saw a lot of people do that, and it looked real watery underneath them rolls. We don't want cinnamon roll soup today. All right, now I'm putting the brown sugar cinnamon mix on top. And after I did this, I covered it in foil and baked it in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I went ahead and took them out, and I'm so glad I didn't put them in a smaller pan. These rolls are huge. They tripled in size. Now I'm gonna add the cream cheese frosting while the rolls are still hot. I wish I would have made a little extra on the side because this was not enough for me. And this is what we ended up with. They're really soft and pretty big. I usually make my own cinnamon rolls from scratch, but if I have to make canned rolls again, this is the only way I'm doing it now. They real soft and gooey, like they came fresh from a bakery. I'm gonna add this heavy cream hack to my own cinnamon roll recipe and see how that come out. If you wanna see that, let me know in the comments. 10 out of 10 from me, dog.